Welcome to Your Turn, where you send me questions and I try to answer them. Over the years, I've gotten this question so many times, and I guess I never really have answered it. It's, what's in the box marked teeth? Well, it might be more obvious than you think. I'm a dumpster diver by nature. At my storage facility where I keep stuff, lots of stuff, they have a dumpster, and every now and then I look in. And one day I saw 2 boxes, and and it said teeth on it. And I went, what the heck? It's teeth. Apparently, some dental office went out of business, and rather than doing the HIPAA thing, I won't show you the backs, which has the patient's names on here, they literally threw away all the teeth molds that they had, for the whole business. So, I mean, we've got lots of them in here. I mean, you can see, and I've done like one project in the past with them, but it didn't turn out really good. So if you guys have any ideas on what I can do with a whole box of teeth, let me know. Just leave it in the comments below.